Hey everybody, it's Neil, and we have the City Chase dog car seat cover. So we're gonna check this thing out. So this is supposed to protect your seats from your nasty dogs. So it will come in handy for us since we have a new car coming in a few days. And so this will be a staple in that car, I think, as we bring the dogs around, especially now when it's the winter time and the dogs are gross. Dogs are gross even in the summertime, so now. Okay, let's see what we got here. It is big. It's got some weight to it. Let's see how this goes. Okay. So this is what it looks like. So it's got the little handle here and a little case, so it's kind of nice. So we can just kind of leave it in the back of the car, and then when we need it, we'll pull it out. And let's see what this does. This is for you guys. So let's see how this is going to work here. So it will open up. I guess that's going to be the length of the seat here. Is there no instructions? And then like this and this and this zips open and all this stuff here. So this is how it is. It'll zip up here. I'll show you here in a second. I'll kind of close it up so you'll see what I'm talking about. It's going to be like a big crate for dogs. So we have that. I gotta slide all my stuff over here to get this to work. You should see how messy this room is. I think I'm doing it inside out, but yeah, we're gonna flip this all. It's gonna be the other way. Okay, so we'll move it over like these. So here we go. So this is kind of what it looks like here. You get it. I'm gonna see if I can move you guys back a little bit so you can see it a little better. I can't get back too far, but there we go. I wish I had a wide angle lens on this, but I don't. So it's gonna be like this in your car. And so this will be, I guess you could have this towards the front of the car so you could have some little things in the pouches for your dogs. You can see them through here. And then on the back side, this is what's going to be back against the back wall of the car. And you can clip things over the, these will clip over the back seat rests, over the headrests. And then these here, little hooks here, so you could clip your dog into here so they don't jump out of the little, container here. So pretty cool. And so you got this here, and it goes pretty wide. I mean, it's going to be a really wide seat. It'll go, probably all the way from one side to another of most cars. So like a good SUV, it'll fit in there. And then once it's in there and it's held up on the seats and stuff, then it's not gonna fall down like it does here. It's soft. But how cool is that? And then it just kind of folds up. It looks like you could unzip it from the middle too, and reconfigure this. Let's see what happens if I do that. So here we go. So now we have two pieces. So we can have this one and this one here, and then looks like I might be able to, so it could just have it, a different configuration. If we wanted to just be like in one seat, we could do it this way here, and then have this over the one headrest and this over the, the back one like that, to just have it, a different configuration. So you have a few different options with it. So it's pretty cool, and I like it. And it's nice and made out of canvas, and it seems like it's going to be good. So if the dog pees or poops in it, you can probably just wipe it right off. Pretty easy. So I'm going to say this is really nice. Let me move this up just a little bit here. So this is what it looks like here. And let's see if I can fold it back up again. Let's give this a shot here. I guess it's going to be folded up slightly different than when it was original, due to the fact that I've got it in two pieces now. But yep, so there we go. So now it's folded back up. Stick it back in the bag. And I am good to go for put it in the back of the car. So I'm gonna say this is pretty cool. So thumbs up from me on this. This is the City Chase, dog car seat saver. It's gonna save the seats of the car, especially in our nice new car that we have nice white seats in. So This will be great. So thumbs up. Links in the description. Like this video, subscribe to my channel, and I'll be back soon.